Jai Hind students. So today we are going to learn about the fractions. So as you are able to see here, there are different types of questions already I have written in the board that will come in your examination, and all are important topic. With the help of example I have explained. First one, diagram, how to represent the fraction in terms of diagram. 2 by 3, it is a proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator should be less than denominator. Divided by 3, whatever is known as denominator, this is known as denominator, this one is known as numerator. This is known as denominator 3. 3 means I will divide any part into 3 equal parts. If it is equal, then only we will say it is a fraction. So I have divided into 3. After that I have shaded here 2. So I will shade there 2 parts. Same like the 3 by 2. It is in case of improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is your what you can say, numerator is your more than denominator. Now how to represent this in terms of fractions? So first thing what you need to do, you need to convert that improper fraction into mixed fraction. 2 1 by 2 1 are 2. After that remainder I got 1. Now after putting 1, you should put here beside 1 dash. After that the the remainder is there. Remainder will go up and this divisor will come down. Again I am repeating how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. 2 1 are 2. Remainder I got 1. After that I will put here dash. After that the remainder will go up and divisor will come down. So 1 by 2 I got the mixed fraction. Now here again how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. The process is simple. Already we deal in case of addition of fractions. 2 into 1 plus 1. 2 into 1 plus 1. 2 plus 1, here how much I got? 2 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 plus 1 how much? 3 by 2. Again we started from 3 by 2, we reached by 3 by 2. So I think you understood how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction into mixed fraction and mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now let us learn how to represent the mixed fraction in terms of diagram. So 1 by 2. So I have taken here 1 I will make one circle complete. After that second I will make 1 by 2. Suppose here it is written 2, then I will make 2. Suppose here written 3, 1 by 2, then I will make 3 circles first. Now 1 means 1 circle completed. Next is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 1 complete circle and it is half. Why I have written half? Because 1 by 2 denominator is 2, means I will divide this circle into 2 parts. After that it is 1, means I will shade only 1 part. As you are able to see here 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means I have divided into 3 parts, but I will shade only 2 parts. Similarly here 1 by 2 means I divide the circle into 2 parts, but I will shade only 1. Similarly 3 1 by 4. So what I have done? 3 parts, 3 circles I have made and I have shaded it 1 by 4. Now I will divide the next circle. 4 parts is there, I will shade only 1. Similarly let us learn about the next, how to add the fractions. Now 3 by 2 plus 9. So I will take here 2 and 9 LCM. 2 and 9, what I will get the LCM? 18. Now how to multiply 2 and 2 how much is 90? 18. Then 2 9 ja. So 3 into 9 plus 9 how much is 18? 9 2 ja. So 8 into 2. Again I am repeating. 2 how much is 18? 9 ja. So 3 into 9. 9 how much is 18? 2 ja. So 8 into 2. 9 into 3 27. 8 into 6 8 into 2 16. 27 plus 16 by 18. 27 plus 16 43 by 18. I got the answer. Now same question what I am doing, I am taking the negative now. 3 by 2 minus 8 by 9. So 2 and 9, again the process remains same. 18 I got. 3 into 9 minus 8 into 2 up to here. Here we are doing addition. Similarly here we are doing subtraction. 9 3 is 27, 8 2 is 16. 27 minus 16 I got 11 by 18. That is our answer. Now let us move to the same. Here addition completed, subtraction completed. Now we are moving for the multiplication. Now multiplication, the process is same. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 3 into 8, 2 into 9. So 3 8s are 24, 9 2s are 18. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator, I will multiply, I got the answer. Now next, 3 by 2 divided by 8 by 9. Now I will change this divide sign into multiply and I will reciprocal this number. 3 by 2 divided by 8 by 9. 8 by 9 I will make 9 by 8. After that 3 into 9, 2 into 8. 3 into 9, 2 into 8. 3 9 is 27, 2 8 is 16. I got this number. Now next, already actually we have deal like that questions. If you have didn't watch, then you can see my previous video. 2 into 2 plus 4. 2 into 2 plus 3. 2 into 2 plus 3. Means all to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Next 2 into 6 plus 1 divided by 2. Now let us move to the next, that is equivalent fraction. That is always very much important. They will write the question 2 by 3 find 4 equivalent fraction. They will give the example. Now how to solve equivalent fraction? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 you write. Now into 2 by 2. Next I will do into 3 by 3. Same number 2 by 3. 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5. Suppose they will tell 5 equivalent fraction. Then into 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6. Like that. 4 equivalent fraction means you will do into 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5. And now you multiply simply. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 2 4 2s are 8, 3 4s are 12. 5 2s are 10, 3 5s are 15. I got the number. And if you can cancel it, then also you will get the same answer. Equivalent fraction means if you will cancel, then also you will get. For example, 2 2s are 4, 2 by 2 3s are 6, 2 by 3. Here 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Again, if I cancel, then also I will get the same answer. That is known as equivalent fraction. Now after that, simplified form. Simplified form means which I can't solve further. For example, 16 by 8. They will give the question like that, 16 by 8. They will tell reduce the fraction, otherwise they will say simplify it, otherwise they will tell to find out the standard form. All are same. What you need to do, 16 by 18. Now 16 by 18, what we need to do? We will take the LCM of 16. Otherwise we will do the prime factorization. Now how I can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. If I will do prime factorization, I will get the answer 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And 18, how I can write 2 into 3 into 3 by prime factorization method. Now after that, if you don't know the prime factorization, you can check my previous video, already I have uploaded. Now 2 and 2 cancel. Now remaining anything is there common between this numerator and denominator? 2 and 2 cancel. Any other thing that is common? No. Here it is 2 2 2, here it is 3 and 3. Anything is not common. So now I will simply write the next remaining number. 2 2 already common, I cancel. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 3 3 is 9, 8 by 9 I got the answer. Now next, 7 by 8, 12 by 18. Which one is greater? Like that question it will come. You need to identify which one is the greater. Now what you need to do? 8 and 18, first you should take the LCM. 8 and 18. Now how to take the LCM? I have explained here. 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. We will should always start from 2. And we should check whether it is divisible or not. Because 2 is the lowest prime number. 2 4s are 8, 9 I can, 2 9s are 18. 2 2s are 4, 9 it came as usual. After that 2 1s are 2, 9. Now after 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Now after that. Now LCM, I will multiply this total number 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 3 into 3. Now I multiply this number LCM, how much I got? 72. Now what I will write? 7 by 8. 7 by 8 I will write first. Second, 12 by 18. 12 by 18 I will write second. Now what we are trying to do? We are converting that number into like fractions. Like fractions mean denominator should be same. Now see here, 8 is written over there, correct? Now 8, how much is 72? 8 9s are. So due to that I will multiply 7 into 9, 8 into 9. Next, 18, how much is 72? So 18 4s are. So I have written here 12 into 4, 18 into 4. Again I am repeating. 7 by 8 I have written. Here I have written 12 by 18. Same. What is the question that I will write as it is. After that, how I am able to get this number? I should understand. In denominator is 8. 8, how much is 72? 8 9s are. So I will write 7 into 9, 8 into 9. Now next, 12. 18, how much is 72? So 18 into 4. So 12 into 4, 18 into 4. Now I will multiply this number. 7 9s are 63, 8 9s are 72. Again 12 for the 48, 18 for the 72. Now you tell me, these both are like terms. Like terms means what? Denominator should be same. As you are able to see here, 72, 72. Both the denominator are same. Now you tell me which one is greater, 63 or 48? 63 is greater. 63. Now what is the fraction? 7 by 8. So I can write 7 by 3, 8, that is greater than 12 by 18. This is a process to find out the which number is greater. Like that any question will come, you can solve it. Next, arrange the number in ascending order. Now this is the most important question and most easiest question to solve it. How to do 3 by 8 I have written, next is 4 by 6 I have written, next is it is written 1 by 3. Now what you need to do, suppose first 3 by 8 I have written, now I will hide this 7 by my finger. Now what is the remaining number? 6 and 3. Now I will multiply 6 and 3 in numerator, 6 and 3 in denominator. Next number 4 by 6. Now what I will do? I will hide this 6 number. Now what is the next number? 7 and 3. Now 7 into 3, 7 into 3. Again what is the next number as you are able to see here? Next number is your 3. Now I will, next number I will hide the 6. Now what is the number? 7 and 6. So I will multiply 7 into 6, 7 into 6. Now after that, at last, if you are able to find it out, now next process, what I will do? I will multiply numerator. 6 into 6, 3 into 6 into 3. 3 6 are 18, 18 3 are 54. I got the answer. Denominator no need to multiply. Every time you will get same answer only. Next, numerator. 4 7 are 28, 28 3 are 84. Next again, 1 7 is 7, 7 6 are 42. Numerator, I will arrange only numerator. Now numerator, tell me which one is the highest. Now which one is the highest? So highest is 84. But what we need to do, we need to write in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Now which one is the smallest number? 42. Now what is the fraction of the 42? That is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 I will write first. Second, which one is the smallest? That is 54. 54. What is the fraction of 54? 3 by 7. 3 by 7. Yes, I will write second. Third, which one is the 42? Sorry, 84. 84. What is the fraction? 4 by 6. 4 by 6 I have written. So this is the proper order to write in ascending order. Now already I have explained this video how to solve this fraction. So it will be a homework for you, and if you are not able to understand, you can check my next video or the previous video how to add the fraction. You can find it out. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.